There's been over 8 earthquakes in the last 3 months.
Indonesia is reeling after 2 major earthquakes in less than a day.
I don't know if I've told you about this, but there's an organization which is called HUB, which is located in Atlanta, in America, far from the masses, far from the population, the mass dense population of America.
There's a base in Alaska that conspiracy theorists believe controls the weather. This is HAARP, the High Frequency Active Auroral Research Program, a 180 antenna array that's located in Gakona, Alaska. Officially, it studies the ionosphere, the electrically charged layer of Earth's upper atmosphere that affects radio signals, satellite communications, military communications, GPS, that kind of stuff.
And their main incentive it is to manipulate, use weather as a bioweapon against other countries, like what they did to Iran in 2012 for decades, where they made a massive drought by having cloud seedings being seeded in the clouds of Iran so that it cannot rain. So Iran faced decades of massive droughts all throughout the country and multiple places in the Middle East. This is what now they're doing to Japan. This is now what they're doing to Venezuela, Cuba, to Colombia also. All these are all structured earthquakes that are happening back to back, destroying all those cities with the earthquakes. Because listen, if the oligarchs have to come to you, if they need to come to the population and tell the population that we need to destroy the whole place so that we can build a new city, a new smart city, a new technocratic city, they will not agree. So what do we need to do? They need to create disaster, create destruction, divide and conquer, destroy those buildings, kill those massive amounts of people as it is part of the human sacrifice. And then in doing so, they rebuild it into a smart technocratic city. Look at what they did in Gaza. Now we all of a sudden have the Agenda 2030 for Gaza. Look at what they did in Kingston, Jamaica. Now they have an Agenda 2030 for a smart city in Jamaica. This was going to happen in Venezuela and it's not going to happen in all parts of the world. We need to be prepared. We need to be absolutely prepared. Here in Africa, we're experiencing a weird weather condition where last week it was absolutely sunny and then all of a sudden the next week it is blazing cold out of nowhere. You should understand the organizations that their main incentive it is to manipulate the weather conditions in all parts of the world so that they can fulfill their own incentives at your own detriment. You are part of the pawn in the system. They are the game makers.